Tired of using those pen drives or hard drives to store backups or to take your files to some other place? Then you must start using Google Drive. Google Drive is one of the best cloud storage solution. Once you have uploaded your files to it, you can access it from anywhere. Uploading files to Google Drive is very easy, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. First, dragging and dropping. This is the quickest and easiest way. Just open your Google Drive and then just drag and drop any file in this section. Boom, they will start uploading automatically. And on the right hand side, you can see my file is uploaded. The second way of uploading your files to Google Drive is by using this new button. So here we have two options. We can either choose to upload a file using this option, or either I can choose to upload the entire folder from my device by using the folder upload option. I can see the status of uploading my files here on the bottom right corner. Once it's complete, your files will be safe and sound in your drive. There's also another way of uploading your files to Drive, which is quite unpopular, but it's very easy. You have to download the Google Drive desktop app. Next, you have to install it. After you install the file, go to Finder. Just copy any file. And down you can see Google Drive. Open this folder. And when you paste it here, you can see it's available here. And it is uploading. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called SlidesAI, a Google Slides add-on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give SlidesAI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.